Hello students, our topic name is odd sounds or different sounds. Okay, in the previous 4 classes we have successfully completed most of the sets. Okay, today I am going to teach you part 5. Okay, what is our topic? Odd sounds. What is odd sounds? Different sounds. In the examination, they will give 6 sets. In each set consists of 3 words. In the 3 words, 1 or 2 letters are written as the bold letters. So our task is identify the bold letters and observe the sounds of the bold letters, which is the different. Next, the different sound should be circle the circle. That is our task. Then we will get marks. Okay. See here. Break, great, heat. Okay. Here the letters E are written as the bold letters. E, E, E. Okay. Observe the sounds. Observe the sound of the letters E. Okay. Break. Break. In the word break, the sound of the letters E as I. Break. Next, in the word great, great, the sound of the letters E is like I, great. Next, in the word heat, the sound of the letters E is heat, E sound here, I sound here also I sound. The different sound is E. So, heat is the odd sound. Okay? Next. Finger, engine, younger. Here, the letter G is written as the bold letter. So, we need to identify the sound of the G in the 3 words. Okay? Finger, engine, younger. In the word finger, the letter G makes a sound like ga sound, finger. In the word engine, the letter G makes the sound like ja sound. In the word younger, the letter G makes the sound ra sound. Finger, younger. What is the different sound? Engine. Engine is the different. So circle the word. If you don't circle the word, we will not get any marks. Okay? Our duty is circle the word which makes a different sound. Okay? Next, push, pull, pure. Push, pull, pure. So, here the letter U is given as the bold letter. Push, push, U makes U sound. Pull, U makes U sound. Pure, pure, U makes U. Different sound is a different sound. Push, pull, pure is the different sound. Next, load, road, broad. Here OA letters are given as the bold letters. Okay, observe the OA. Next, make the sound Pronounce the words. Load, road, broad. Load, O-A, O sound. Road, O-A, O sound. Broad, O-A, A sound. The different sound is broad. Next. At, each. The letters EA are written as the bold letters. Okay? Sound of the EA in these three words. N, A sound. At, A sound. Each, E sound. So different sound is each. Okay? Next. R-Y-C, rose. C-H-Y-C, choose. L-Y-C, lose. Rose, choose, lose. So here O is written as the bold letter. Rose. O makes like O sound. Choose. O makes like U sound. Lose. O makes like U sound. Lose. Okay? What is the different sound? Rose, choose, lose. Rose is the different sound. Next. Weak, meek, dear. Weak, meek, dear. Here, E letters are given as the bold letters. Okay? Weak, E make the sound like E sound. Here also E sound. Dia. Here, ya sound. Different sound is dia. Meek, weak, meek, dia. Next. Nature, mature, tutor. Here, T is given as the different letter, bold letter. Okay? The sound of the T. Observe here. Nature. In the word nature, T makes the sound like cha sound. Next, mature. In the word mature, T makes the sound like cha sound. Next, tutor. In the word tutor, T makes the sound like ta sound. So what is the difference? Tutor is the different sound. Next, east, exist, extra. East, exist, extra. Is E. The letter E written as the bold letter. Okay? Observe the letter E sound. Okay? East, E sound. Exist, A sound. Extra, A sound. East is the different sound. Next. Suppose, sucrose, super. Suppose. In the word suppose, here, in these three words, U, the letter U is written as the bold letter. Observe the sound of the word U. In the word suppose, U makes the sound like A sound. Next, in the word sucrose, U makes the sound like U sound. In the word super, U makes the sound like U sound. So, suppose, sucrose, super. Suppose is the different sound. Next, music, must, muzzle. Music, must, muzzle. Here, the letter U is written as the bold letter. Okay? In the word music, you make the sound like music, oo sound. Must. In the word must, you make the sound like A sound. In the word muzzle muzzle. U makes the sound like a sound. Music, must muzzle. Must muzzle. The words must muzzle are making same sound. Music is the different. Music is the different. Must, muzzle, both are same sounds. Okay. Thank you, students. The remaining words we shall learn in the next class.